Performing physical inventory can be complicated and resource-intensive. Accurate inventories are essential for asset reporting and accountability. Sunflower provides robust tools to plan, manage, and complete more efficient physical inventories. Let's take a closer look at Sunflower's physical inventory solutions. A successful inventory requires planning and continuous monitoring. Sunflower tools help manage the inventory process for maximum effectiveness. Maintenance, shipping, and other asset transactions can automatically count toward the inventory, reducing the need for manual validation. State-of-the-art barcode scanners and RFID readers further increase efficiency. Advanced devices are available for use in secure areas. Smartphones and tablets can be used. All inventory history is captured on the asset's audit record. CGI offers powerful tools to plan, manage, and effectively complete physical inventories. Contact us today to learn more about how Sunflower Asset Management Solutions can drive your organization's success.